Good morning, students of class 5th. Here, your teacher Atika Ra is going to teach you chapter number 5, fraction. It is all about fractions. So, first of all, we will recall our exercises, whatever we have done before. A fraction is a part of a single object or a collection of objects. It is written as numerator and denominator. For example, in 2 upon 7 is 2 is numerator and 7 is denominator. Fraction with the same denominator are called like fraction. They are like 1 upon 5, the same denominator is there, 3 upon 5, 6 upon 5. Fractions that have different denominators are called unlike fractions, and fraction that with the numerator is 1, that is called unit fraction. After that, fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction, that is 3 upon 5. It means numerator is less and denominator is bigger. 5 is bigger than 3, so it is proper fraction. But just opposite, just बिल्कुल उल्टा हो जाता है when we talk about improper fraction. So it is 8 upon 5. So 8 is bigger, greater than denominator, that is 5. Mixed fraction is the number that is have whole number. 2 whole number 1 upon 3. 4 whole number 3 upon 5. 9 whole number 1 upon 2. This is the mixed fraction. Equivalent fractions are the number when we get the same value or we represent the same part of a whole number to get equivalent fraction. Multiply and divide the numerator and denominator both by the same number other than 1, or for example 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 4 upon 8, likewise 8 upon 16. Okay, now a fraction is said to be the lowest term in the simplest form if we get our SCF of numerator and denominator, that is 1. Okay, now to convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction, use given formula. Improper fraction, if it is given, what we do is we will multiply the whole number with the denominator and we will add the numerator. Denominator will be the same as it is in the improper fraction also. So when if we want to make it mixed fraction, the quotient and divisor and the remainder part will come upward as a numerator. These are the sutras you have to, these are the formulas you have to learn. So, first of all, we are going to do our recall exercises. So, let's start. So, what are like fraction? Like fractions are the number that are having the same denominator. So, these are the 2 upon 11 and 3 upon 11 are the like fraction. They are not like fraction, they are not like fraction, but they are like fractions. Encircle the unit fraction. Unit fraction are the number that are having 1 as a numerator. So this is you have to encircle. This is you have to encircle. This you have to encircle where 1 is written as a numerator. Cross out the improper fraction. Proper fractions that are having less numerator. Improper that is having more greater numerator. So this is improper fraction. This is improper fraction. This is improper fraction. Cross. We have to cross now, so just cross it. And nothing is left because 16 is smaller than 91. Done. Now write the three equivalent fractions. You just multiply with 2 and then 3. Equivalent number you have to get. Okay. So it means 9 2s are 18 upon 11 2s are 22. Okay. After that 9 3s are 27 and 11 3s are 33. You have to take out 3. So 9 4s are 36 upon 11 4s are 44. Just make fraction sign also, no? Here make one fraction sign like this. 18 upon 22, 27 upon 33, 36 upon 44. This is equivalent fraction. Now convert to mixed fraction. You have to divide. Yes. 11. You are going to divide 11 ones are 11, which will come 11 ones are 11. It is whole number. 11 will come here. And what will be the remainder? When you minus 11 from 21, you will get 10. So this is the mixed fraction. Likewise, you have to do all the sum. Convert into improper fraction. For improper fraction, what you have to do is you have to multiply with the whole number. 2 5s are 10 and 1 plus 1. The numerator is going to be added. So answer will come 11 upon 5. Likewise, you will do all the sums. Rest you will do. Which of the following fraction are in the simplest form? Simplest form means the answer will come 1 in that. 35 into 54 upon 54. 36 and 81. 56 and 78. 28 and 57. We can say this only. Okay, because when we divide it, it can be divided again also. Like if we take example of this, 9 fours are 36. 9 fours are 36 and 9 nines are 81. So 4 upon 9 will come. So it should not be like that. Here in 28 and 57, it can be done. Okay. This will be the, which fraction is not the simplest form. Fill in the blanks. Here 2 is written. 2 into 4 is 8. So what is written here? 1 into 4. 3 into 10 is 30. 3 into 10 is 30. 4 into 10 is 40. 40. 3 6 are 18. Okay. So it means 6. 6 is coming. 6 fours are 24. So here it will come 4. 4 6 are 24. 3 6 are 18. The same number is coming. 6 7 12 6 are 72. 6 6 are 36. Number should come in the same way. Okay. Got the point? This is our recall exercise and did. Yes. So what we are doing is in our 5.1 exercise, we are going to compare by using the sign. 3 upon 7 or 1 upon 7. 3 is bigger, so the sign will come like this. 5 upon 9, 2 upon 9, 5 is bigger, so we will write like this. 3 upon 10 and 7 upon 10. 7 is bigger, so we will write like this. 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 3. So here, when the numerators are same, what is the greatest number? That is the smallest one. In the fraction. Fraction means we are going to make it in parts, in fractions. We are making the fractions. So it is like that. Here I have given this, I have put the sign. Now arrange the following fraction in ascending order. If the sum is one sum like this, it is given 94 is the denominator, the same denominator are there. So it is first number 15 is the smallest one, 38, then 43 and then 72. This rest is going to be done by equivalent fraction. You will do it. Okay. In that also 46, 46 same are there. So what will be the first number? That is bigger, biggest of all, 42. Then 33, then 29, then 11, then 5. This is the way. So you will do like this. Now, if Mr. Joshi gave 1 upon 3 pizza to Dinu and 1 upon 2 pizza to Shinu, who got more? Half and 1/3 part. Means if we see that 1 and 1 is the same and third, that 3 is the smallest one. So who will get? Sinu will get. Sinu has got the half of the part. After that, B point is Hariti has 8 pieces of chocolates, out of which she ate 5. Just let's 5 from that. Her brother Jay had 12 pieces of chocolate out of which he ate 7. Who ate more? He has left 3 and 12 pieces from 7 means 5 out of 8 and 7 out of 12. When you minus it, you will get 3. 3 is left from with Hariti and 5 is left with 5 is left with his brother, Hariti's brother. So Hariti's brother is Jay. So who ate more? Hariti only. Likewise. Okay. Now we will do fractions, additions, subtraction also in our next exercise, that is 5.2. So we have come to our exercise number 5.2. In that, add the following fraction, reduce the sum to the lowest sum also if possible. Okay, it means it now after doing that sum, it should be having 1 only, 1 as a fraction. Now 41 and plus 15, this is very simple. Just add both the numbers and write down upon 53. So what is the addition of that number? Added number is 41, 41, 51, and then 56. So 56 upon 53 is the answer. It cannot be reduced also. Likewise. Now if we want to subtract, you have to subtract it 68. 8 minus 2 is 6. And then 6 minus 4 is 2. So 26 will be the answer. 26 upon 79 will be the answer. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. If we minus 0, 9 upon 3, only 9 upon 3 will come. Because the same number will come because it is not added to anything. 16 upon 9, 29 is the same because it is the property of 0. The same number will come. 33 upon 103 is written and here 95 into upon 460 is written. So we will write here 95 upon 460 here. Okay, and here we will write 33 upon 103. Likewise. Now simplify. If we want to simplify, we have to use BODMAS method. In that, addition comes first and subtraction comes after addition. So simplify each of the following. You will do 11 and 11. Every 11 number is there. So what you are going to do is 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So it is 10 upon 11. Okay. If we follow the rule of BODMAS, subtract will come afterward, addition will come first. So here it will be 0 now, because here we have done 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 minus 8 is 0. So here it comes 0. Likewise, you are going to do all the sums. Subtract the sum. Sum means you have to add both the number and then you have to minus it from 10. Subtract 2 whole number 1 upon 6 from the sum. From the sum means you have to add the numbers and you have to minus it from 2 whole number 1 upon 6. Likewise. Now we will do 5.2 exercise. In that we will do problem sums. So here students, we are come to our practice session 5.3. In that we are going to read first of all the problem sums and then we will do the sum. Ali read 1 upon 8 of book on Monday, 1 upon 4 of book on Tuesday, 1 upon 2 of book on Wednesday. What fraction of the book did he read during these 3 days? You have to add all the numbers. Okay. For the adding, you have to make it First of all, the LCM you have to take out, which number is going to be divided by all the numbers. So here it will come 8. Then you will make it multiplied with the numerator. Then you will get the answer when we add the numbers. Here, Seema walked 1 upon 8 of a park in the morning and 5 upon 6, 16 of the park in the evening. How much portion of the park did Seema cover? You have to add all the numbers. Anu had 2 upon 3 dozen eggs. He used 1 upon 6 dozen eggs to bake a cake. What fraction of the dozen was he left with? Rahul bought 7 upon whole number 1 upon 2 kg of rice. Reena bought 15 upon 4 kg of rice. Who bought more rice? So you have to divide, you have to see it, and by how much means you have to minus it also. 15 upon 2 and 15 upon 4 you have to minus. After that, family bought 4 whole number 2 upon 5 meter, 3 whole number 1 upon 3 meter, and 2 whole number 1 upon 10 meter of cloth for 3 dresses. How much cloth did the family buy in all? Wherever in all comes, in fraction also you have to add. If the cloth came from 30 meter roll of cloth, what length of the cloth is left in the roll now? Now you have to take out the sum, and then you have to minus it from 30 meter also. Now what must be subtracted from? What must be subtracted from to get this one? So you are going to subtract the same number to get its answer. Likewise, you will do your 5.3 exercise also. Students, our 5.4 exercise is all about the simplest form, and we have to write the answer with the multiplication. In the multiplication, we will do like this. See, 7 threes are 21, and this 5 will come as it is, as the denominator will come as it is. Okay, we can divide if we want to. 10 ones are 10 and 10 threes are 33. So answer will come like 13 upon 3. It is coming in improper fraction also. Hana? So we will do like this. Now 2 upon 7 into 4 means 8 upon 7. Likewise, you will do all the sums in your copy. Simple. Now multiply the following. Here it is given multiply. So what you are going to do is you have to multiply it. 2 threes are 6 and 4 sevens are 28. Okay. So this is like that only you will get. Now 5 upon 13 and 26 upon 14. You know 13 ones are 13 and 13 twos are 26. So you will do like this. You can do also like this. 10 upon 14 is the answer. Got it? Yes. Now solve the following, that they are given in improper fraction. You have to make it, you have to, these are mixed fraction. You have to make it improper fraction. So 2 threes are 6 and plus 1 is 7. 7 upon 2. Answer will come here 7 upon 2 into 7 twos are 14 and 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 upon 7. So this 7 is going to be cut with this 7. Answer will come 19 upon 2. If we wanted to get the improper fraction, what we will do? 9 twos are 18. 9 will be the whole number. 2 will be the denominator. And 1 will be the numerator. So this will be the answer of first one. Now, 1 upon 4 of 1 rupee. What you have to do is you have to make it 100, because answer is given, answer is asked in paisa. It will be 25. 4 divided by 4, 100 is divided by 4, you will get 25. Okay. 7 upon 8 of 50 is, you will minus it, you will divide it, then 35 will be the answer. 7 5s are 35 will be the answer. 1 kg. 1 kg has 1000 na? So just less 1 0. two zeros. When you cut two zeros, you will get 690 gram. 690 gram, you will get the answer of this question. 4 upon 5 of 1 meter. But first of all, you have to make it centimeters. 5 twos are 10 and 0 0. But 20 and 8 24s are 80. So it will be 80 centimeter will be the answer. Now complete the following. If it is 0, just put 0. If it is 8.5 is there but 3 upon 7 is not there, so you will write 7 upon 7, 3 upon 7. Here 2 upon 7 is there, 2 upon 7 is there. After equal and before equal you have to see 1 upon 3 is not there, so you will write 1 upon 3 here. And if you multiply with the number itself is the answer. 75 upon 93, the same number will come when you multiply it with 1 only. Likewise, we have done multiplication part. Now we will do division part also in our next exercise. So students, we have come to our exercise number 5.5. In that, find the reciprocal. Reciprocal means ulta pulta. Just do ulta pulta only. Like you have to write numerator as denominator and denominator as numerator. 4 is coming down, so we will write 4 up and 3 down. Okay, 9, 1 upon 9 is 9, 9 upon 1. 7 upon is 7, 7 upon 5. Now it is in a mixed fraction, so we will make it improper. 5 to the 10 and 1. 11 upon 5 means 5 upon 11. You have to write like this. Others you will do by yourself in a very good manner. Now divide each of the following. Divide means you have to reciprocal the number and then you will multiply. This is called division part. Okay. So divide each of the following means when we reciprocal the other number, 2 upon 7 is written. So what you are going to do is 2 reciprocal is 1 upon 2. Just make the sign by is going to be converted into multiply sign. So answer will be coming 2 upon 14. When we again divide it, we will get 1 upon 7. Okay, with two methods we can do, the answer will come 1 upon 7. This will be the answer. Now solve the following. If it is like this, when the whole numbers means number that is not having any fraction is given, so we will reciprocal that number. So here 11 into 11 upon 1. This will be the way. Okay, you have to reciprocal the number that is given in the right side of that number. So when you do that, you will get your proper answer. So 1, 2, 1 will be the answer. That is upon 1, it has no value. Got it? Yes. Now fill in the blanks with this. 5 upon 7 divided by 5 upon 7. The same fraction it is given. But here what we are going to do? We are going to reciprocal. 7 from 7 we will cut. 5 from 5 will be cut. Answer will come 1. Okay. Because same number is there. When we divide it, this number will come as it is. 8 upon 11 will come. Because it is called the property of 1. 0. When we divide with the number 0, we will get 0 only. When we divide it with 1, we will get 16 upon 21 only. The same number we are going to get when we divide it with 1. Got it? Yes, got it. Now we will do the next exercise also. So students, here we have come to our exercise number 5.6. In that, if the cost of 1 liter pack of orange juice is 80 rupees 1 upon 2, what is the cost of 8 such packs? You have to multiply. I am giving you the sign and you will multiply. Okay. Now, Nana bought 6 whole number 1 upon 2 kg oranges. If the cost of 1 kg orange is 40 rupees, find the cost of 6 kg, 6.5 kg. So you are going to multiply. How many pieces measure 3 upon 4 meter can be cut from ribbon measuring 16 meter? It means you have to cut them. So you have to divide it. You have to make it divide when you are talking about cutting into pieces. Okay, so this will be the way in which you are going to do your problem sums. The product of two fraction is, product means multiplication. Answer is 9 whole number 3 upon 4. When you will, when the one fraction is also there, you will get, here you will get, if one fraction is 9 whole number 3 upon 4, and then two fraction is also there, you are going to divide it. Why divide? Because you are going to do the opposite one. 1 upon 6 of the 72 kg of sugar was used during festival. How much sugar was used? How much sugar was remained? It means festival was there and 72 kg of sugar, 1 upon 6 part was used. So how much part is left? That you have to do. First you have to minus it and then you will get the remaining part also. At the end of the night, a bakery had 1 upon 4 of the cake left. Two employees of the bakery took home equal amount of the leftover cake. How much cake did each employee took home? So means it is 1 upon 4 and it is going to be divided by 2. Okay, then 2 means they have taken two parts now, then only they have equally distribution of the cake. Okay students, now we will do quick revision. Quickly we are going to do our chapter checkup. In that 3 and 42 are equivalent fraction. 3 14s are 42, 14 3s are 42 and 14 5s are, so 5 will come here. We will tick it. 14 5s are. Okay. 5 times 3 upon 11. You have to multiply it. If when you are going to multiply, you have to do multiplication. Okay. And then 3 5s are 15 upon 11 will come. Reciprocal of 2 upon 2 whole number 1 upon 4 is 4 2s are 8. 8 and 1 9. 9 upon 4. So 4 upon 9. Simple. When you want to divide, you have to make the sign of multiplier and reciprocal the rightmost part number, like 4 upon 3. So 2 2s are 4 and answer will come here. 5 2s are 10. 10 upon 10 upon this 4 will come na. 10 upon 4 2s are 8. 4 will come down, 4 up 10 upon 3. This will be the answer. 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 7. It is simple. What you have to do is you have to multiply because both are not going to be cut. So 3 2s are 6 and 5 7s are 5 7s are 35. So 6 upon 35 will be the answer. Okay. Now, now we are going to do our another things that are compare the fractions. If 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 5 is there, in that like fractions are there. Like fraction means one, same one and unit fraction. This is called unit fraction. Okay. When unit fraction is there, so whatever is greater, whatever is greater, that is the smallest one. No? Here it will be the sign. Now 2 and 4 upon 5 and 3 upon 5. You have to make it mixed fraction, then you have to take out. Now solve the following, you have to add them. Simplify, in that you have to use the BODMAS method. Solve the following and simplify if needed, if it is needed. So just do it. Simplify. 9 6 are 54, and then 5 6 are 30. So 30 will come. Likewise, you will do all the sums. है ना? Now write the reciprocal. Reciprocal means just ulta pulta. Do that. 7 upon 6. Likewise, you do all the sums. Now true and false are the things that in that 4 upon 9 into 11 is there. So same number will come. So it is true. 7 upon 11 divided by 1 is 7 upon 11 only. True. 0. If we are going to multiply with 0, we will get 0 only. We will get nothing. And here also, if we are going to divide with that, we will get 1. So this is false. Now, solve these word problem. Kanak spent. What spent? 2 whole number 5 upon 6 hours in watching. What she is watching? Television. And 1 upon 5, 1 whole number 2 upon 5 hours in playing. Find the total hours. Wherever total is given, you have to add. You have to add the numbers. Okay, now Renu cut. Renu has cut 6 whole number 1 upon 3 meter of ribbon in 2 pieces. And first piece was that. What is the length of second piece? You have to minus it. Diesel costs 71 per liter. If diesel is required to fill the tank of a car, what will be the its cost? Means 72 per liter is there, and you have to take out the amount of this later. You have to multiply. Carpenter used 2.5 of a can of paint to paint 2 tables. He used the same amount of paint of each table. Wow, how much can of paint did we he use for each table? You have to divide it now, because it is asked about one table. Got it? Now we have done our 5 chapter. In that we have learned how to do fractions, multiplication, division, and addition also. Everything we have done. So we enjoy the session. Okay, bye for today.